We created Hypha because we're fascinated by mycelium and we want to enable more people to discover this material and its potential.
Mycelium is the root structure of fungi. As a food source, it is well understood, but as a material, it is largely underexplored. It has inherent sustainable advantages, many functional properties, and a unique aesthetic, which could be developed for many more applications than we see today.
At Hypha, we are combining mycelium with 3D printing technology to enable artists, designers, and brands the space that they need to experiment with mycelium.
Hypha Co-Lab is a group of experienced designers and practitioners all working with mycelium as a material. Our purpose as a collective is to share knowledge, hands-on skills, and resources to bring mycelium to a wider audience. By increasing the awareness and understanding of mycelium and its material properties, we want to see it more widely adopted for new applications as a real and sustainable alternative to non-renewables.
Visit hyphacolab.dk to learn more about our work.